Hello everyone, my name is Rajdi Mishra and I am the intern in Ineuron. So in this organization I have currently doing my business analytics internship. So in my internship basically I have to do a kind of data analysis. So I have choose Amazon sales data so that I can do some type of analysis on that data. So for this project, I will be analyzing sales data and finding some trends and relationship between variables. So we will be also showing some insights with the help of data visualization so that the code and information can be useful to the end people and it could easy to understand the data, and this data contains some features and you will be seeing those features in the upcoming codes. So let me begin. So here I am imported all the important libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and after that I have uploaded my extract my data. So these all command and functions df.head and df.describe. Basically from this function and commands we get to know about some statistical values regarding data and the variables. The variables in the data have some specific statistical values like count, mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum. So df.describe uh, it basically describe all these statistical values of the given data set. So from df.info it basically define the data type of variables in the data set. Like here region is object type, country is object type, and order ID is integer, unit sold is integer, unit price is float. So these all are 13 variables which have different types of data types. And next is I have done some exploratory data analysis. So in this exploratory data analysis I have shown or done some analysis on the basis of variables to univariate, bivariate, and on the basis of those variable I do some analysis and find out some insights and information which can be useful uh, in the business term, in the business understanding term, so that it can help the organization to achieve its goal. So there are some questions which define some answers, like which value of unit cost is the highest. So uh, this command basically gives us the value which have the unit cost highest unit cost, and what kind of order priority are there in the data set and their value counts. So like you can see that here HLCM, these are the order priorities, and in these order priority H has the maximum count value, that is 30. What is the kind of sales channel, sorry the spelling here is wrong. uh, so what kind of sale channel are in the data set and their values count. So as you can see in this code, and from this code I have get the answer, that is there are two types of sales channel, and online and offline, and both sales channel have equal values count. So like this there are more questions which define some types of values or answers. So further moving ahead, So here find the mean value of item type related to the all variables. So here I group by the data set on the basis of item type as index is equal to true dot maximum. So it basically gives all the values of maximum values of all variables on the basis of item type. Here I have come across some data visualization. So in this data visualization I have used a scatter plot, count plot, bar plot, box plot to show some really good kind of information from the data sets which I was able to present in front of you graphically. So as you can see here, this is a count plot, and uh, this count plot is showing us the uh, the density, or we can say that count of sales channels graphically. uh, Next is our this is also a count plot, but here in this count plot we can see here there is the type of item type, and this count plot is showing item type and their count, like baby food is there, cereal is there, office supplies is there, fruits is there, household is there, etc, etc. So all the values are here in this graph. You can see that, and through this plot we can see the relation between two variable, units sold and sales channel. So let us now come on bar plot. Bar plot basically show the relationship between two variables. So it is a bivariate graph. Here I have taken sales channel on x-axis and units sold on y-axis. So this show the relationship between, or some kind of uh, correlation between these two variables. So here is bar plot for sales channel and total profit. Here is box plot. Box plot is also type of bar plot, but here the graphical representation is little bit different from the bar plot. So this is also deal with the two types of variables, one on x-axis and second one is on y-axis. And here the x-axis contain order priority and y-axis contain units sold, and data frame is df, and palette which I have used here is rainbow. You can also use here magma, cool worm, etc, etc. You can search on Google also. So this is also kind of bar box plot, sorry. uh, Here to see the trend according to month, week and hour separately, to see the trend of sales according to month, week and hour. So I have here created three new columns. One is hour, second one is month, and third one is day of week. So we can extract some graphical information through these variables, as well as uh, with the help of some data visualization libraries. So here in this box plot you can see that the units sold and days of week, and here U is sales channels. So on Friday, like in offline mode, in Friday the unit sold is little bit less than 8,000, and in offline mode on Friday the unit sold is equal to 8,000. So you can differentiate the values on different days of week here. So this is also a kind of count plot. This is a bar plot. Basically this is also showing some relationship. So this line chart is basically showing us the trend of uh, uh, variable, that is total revenue, on the basis of month. You can see that the revenue on first of month, second of month, fourth of month, third of month, the line goes up and down. So this is showing us trend of total revenue. This is the total revenue by week. This is a disk plot, and this is a regression graph which shows the straight line, uh, and you can see that the data points is on the line and showing us a straight upward relationship between two variables, the unit cost and unit price. So it shows us a positive relationship. This is a kind of exploratory data analysis. Here we can see that mm, df dot drop na, so there is no missing value. So these are my findings in this data set, in which I have shown some relation between variables, some trend of sales on the basis of month, week, hours. So I hope that this data analysis helps organization to gain some knowledge, and user can easily understand what I am trying to find out and what I am trying to show from my data analysis, and it could help the end user. So thank you very much and have a great day.